or discussion prompts. This keeps your audience engaged.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking AI generated video using Microsoft Copilot. To do this, go to the Copilot chat window and click Visual Creator. There are some starter prompts, but I'm going to add my own. As with all Copilot prompts, the more details you add, the better the results. I want to create a video on how to lead an engaging presentation or meeting. I've added the tips I want to include. The video only takes a few minutes to generate. Let's have a quick look at what Copilot has created.
Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to lead an engaging meeting or presentation. Imagine capturing your audience's attention from the get-go, keeping them involved throughout, and leaving them with a lasting impression. Sounds exciting, right? Let's dive in.
To make changes to this video or to view the export options, click Open. This opens Clipchamp, which is Microsoft's video editing tool. In Clipchamp, you have various options down the left, like adding stock footage. Clicking on a text layer on the timeline and then clicking here, this will give you language and voice options. You can also amend the script from here too. To amend a caption on the screen, locate the text on the timeline and then simply edit. In this example, I'm just changing the size of the font so it fits nicely. When you have made your changes, click Export. From here, you can change the quality of the video, the title, and where to save it. From this screen, I can share or download the video. For example, I can share with people at ReadySteadyXL. Click Open Location to see where the file is saved. This will save to your OneDrive folder. The video exports as an MP4. Going back one folder, this shows me the Clipchamp file, which you will need if you want to make further edits to the video. The Clipchamp folder has the other videos you've created.